A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportions. Each slice represents a proportion of the whole, making it easy to compare different categories. 10 advantages of a pie chart. 1. Easy to understand. Pie charts are simple and visually clear, making them easy for people of all ages to understand. 2. Shows proportions clearly. They effectively display how different parts make up a whole, helping viewers compare percentages at a glance. 3. Visually attractive. Pie charts are colorful and appealing, which helps attract and maintain the viewer's attention. 4. Good for limited data. They work best when there are only a few categories, avoiding unnecessary complexity. 5. Quick comparison. Pie charts allow quick comparison of relative sizes of different components of a dataset. 6. Highlights major components. Large segments stand out clearly, making it easy to identify the most important category. 7. Useful for percentage data. Pie charts are ideal for representing data in percentages or fractions of 100%. 8. Simple to construct. They are easy to draw manually or create using computer software. 9. Effective for presentations. Pie charts are commonly used in reports, classrooms, and presentations due to their clarity. 10. Non-technical presentation. They communicate information without requiring advanced statistical knowledge.